late night at the office, and I just realized we didn't have a beginning to this video of us wandering through some houses the other day. So enjoy.
2 feet, 3 feet away. That much stuff, right?
We're almost to October. This house comes with a built-in decoration. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. It's huge.
Yeah. Are you still doing cheer?
Like the thickest carpet pad ever. Like, look at my foot sink in.
Yeah,
I feel like I could
absolutely
almost do like,
sponge.
it's like a trampoline. This is like an older neighborhood though, you know, old people, their joints.
Oh, it's gorgeous. This is real special. Look at this.
Mom's all into
every
this.
woman wants a mirror.
Three-way mirror
You
in
can
your...
look at yourself all
Hey.
over every angle.
Maybe we don't want that though.
No, that's good.
You don't want to stand there naked.
Yeah, check it out.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice. It is nice. I mean, it has
Very
that
nice.
antique quality where it's not like dated,
Check this out.
but it's
This
old
tub.
stuff, but it kind of works.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at the backyard. We didn't even go out there. Check out even these doorknobs. What? Isn't it an ironing board? No, it's an ironing board, yeah. Cool, cool. I do like the built-in bar because she has the wet bar sink connected to the kitchen, which is pretty nice. Check it out. I really like the hand railing, just with the thick rail. Talk about privacy. This is like, mom's like in heaven.
Oh, absolutely.
I even like their little gate.
The stairway
Kind of
goes
oriental.
to the top level. And the plants are absolutely beautiful.
This is definitely my favorite part. I don't think I've seen a handrail like that. Like, I like the round. I just like them because they're thick instead of wide topways. It just gives it an interesting look. This one has a nice courtyard. I like the windows. Beams and everything in here though, I mean. Yeah.
How perfect is... Oh, that's beautiful.
Some people are probably going to hate this, but I actually like this bathroom. I think it kind of works. I like the mirrors. The hardware goes with the counters. It's not your grandma's wallpaper, let me tell ya. I think it's cool. Let me know in the comments. Would you take down the wallpaper or would you keep it? Here's another one. Let me know. Same kind of mirror. Blue themed. I might actually like this one a little bit better, but that's just because I like blue. But let me know in the comments. Do we love it? Do we hate it? I think it's kind of fun. These cabinets are even a little bit blue, but they have the same, whatever color this is, like bronze hardware.
And the beautiful...
I like it.
You got the plantation shutters.
And you have plantation shutters. Looking out to the pool down there. Hold on. But wait, there's more. I found another one. Same idea, same mirror, with green though. I think they're cool. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Would you do this maximalist wallpaper in your bathroom? Yeah. Gimbals.
Oh.
They started carrying that. Rude.
Right in here, and if you'll fill in.
Oh, let us know what you think about these houses in the comments. I'll put a link to all the photos and stuff. Now, they were in Glen Oak and Guierwoods. Wait, no, actually, all of those were in Guierwood? Was it in Guierwood? We're in Guierwoods. So, that neighborhood, fun fact.
The duplexes.
They're like duplexes. There's a couple family homes, but the ones in, or single family homes, but the ones in the video, they were all duplexes, essentially. But you wouldn't know it unless somebody told you that. So
Yeah,
I think
no,
that was kind of
they're-
cool.
They're beautiful.
That neighborhood, very established though, amazing plantings, fountains, ponds. It's gorgeous.
One thing I like too, that they were all different.
They are all uniquely
You don't
different.
really notice that they're all the same at all.
Yeah.
They're beautiful. 24/7 guard.
24/7 guard. There's on-call maintenance. They do the front and backyard lawn maintenance. It's quite something. Now you do pay about $1,100 a month for that, but it really is for people that want safety, not really seclusion, but like privacy, while still being close to all the amenities of town. But it really gives people that lock and leave, where like you can just lock the door and go on a cruise, go on vacation or whatever, and enjoy your latter years of your life without having to worry about taking care of your house, because there's someone basically taking care of it for you. So it's pretty cool.
They were made with quality in mind. Beautiful homes.
Oh yeah, really cool. But anyway, I'll put a link in the description to all the photos. You can check them out. And except that very last house actually was not in that neighborhood, just all the other ones.
I really liked the one with the pool. They didn't all have pools, but this one had a personal pool.
That's true.
Which was very unique and not oversized. It was just perfect.
True. Very cool. Well, let us know in the comments, what do you think? And as always, if you have any real estate needs, reach out to us. We're happy to help you.